चलने के हमने जो वादे किए, पल वो अनमोल है। उम्र भर साथ रहना तू मेरे लिए, आज मैं हूँ तेरे साथ तेरे लिए। उम्र भर साथ रहना तू मेरे लिए, आज हूँ मैं तेरे साथ तेरे लिए। पल वो अनमोल है। रिश्ता है ये, एक किस्सा है ये, जिंदगी का सुनहरा सा तोहफा है ये। जिंदगी की ये महफिल सजाते रहो, खुश रहो तुम सदा मुस्कुराते रहो। पल वो अनमोल है, जगमगाती है दिल में खुशी के दिए। साथ चलने के हमने जो वादे किए, पल वो अनमोल है।
Hi Pratima. Namaskar Surya Babu. Many congratulations on your 25th marriage anniversary. May God bless you both to celebrate further golden, diamond and platinum jubilee. Always stay happy and stay blessed.
Many congratulations to both of you for your successful completion of 25 years of togetherness. During this time you have achieved a lot of milestones, such as you have been blessed with a beautiful family, good health, career prospects, etc. May God bless you to help you fulfill all your dreams in life. Stay blessed, stay safe.
दादा और नानी आम दिल तरफ तुम सिल्वर जुबली मेरी एनिवर्सरी लाइन बहुत शुभेच्छा।
Many happy returns of the day, Dada and Nani. Enjoy your special day. May God bless you to be together for many more years to come.
Happy anniversary, Dada and Nani. Wishing you a healthy, wealthy, and long life of togetherness.
And Surya, presents for having successfully completed 25 years of marital life. May God bless you and extend you. Be happy and merry. Good luck.
Dear Pratima and Chucha, तुमको अमर तरफो और हमारे परिवार तरफो 25 वर्ष बच्चे मुझे भी लगे बहुत शुभेच्छा। तुमको भगवान सब बड़े खुश रखे इत्यादि।
Dada and Babu, congratulations on reaching a milestone.
Wishing you a lot of happiness in days to come.
Happy 25th anniversary.
नमस्कार मामू, नमस्कार माई।
नमस्कार मामू, नमस्कार माई।
Happy silver anniversary to both of you. Wishing you a long, wonderful life together. May God bless both of you and be happy always.
I hope every day you share together is more beautiful than the last. Wish you both a lifetime happiness and togetherness.
Once again, a happy silver anniversary to both of you.
सुजयदा नमस्कार।
प्रतिमा नानी नमस्कार। दिया संपाति जैसे आप दोनों की जोड़ी सलामत रहे वैसे।
Wishing you both
very happy
25th wedding anniversary.
Hello Suryada, Pratima Nani, wishing you both a happy silver jubilee marriage anniversary. Many congratulations to both of you for achieving the milestone of 25 years of togetherness. This is the beginning, and we expect you guys to complete many more such celebrations, including the big one, Golden Jubilee. यूं ही समय बीतता जाए, यूं ही कारवां बनता जाए. On this special occasion, I pray for you guys to be happy, healthy and wealthy. God bless you.
Nanida, namaskar. Happy 25th marriage anniversary to both of you. Enjoy your special day. Stay blessed and cheerful always. God bless you.
And once again, Dada and Nani, many congratulations. Go and celebrate your special day with your loved ones, and yes, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Happy
25th
wedding
anniversary
to
Surya Dada
and
Pratima Nani.
Happy wedding anniversary to both of you, Dada and Nani. Stay healthy healthy, stay safe.
Congratulations Dada and Nani for your 25th marriage anniversary. God bless both of you and enjoy your special day. Stay safe, stay happy.
Happy 25th anniversary Dada and Bhavja. Stay blessed, stay safe, enjoy your day.
नमस्कार दादा, नमस्कार नानी. Happy 25th marriage anniversary, Surya Dada and Nani. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Dear Surya Pratima, congratulations to both of you on the eve of your silver jubilee celebration. तमन लगी आमे दुई पद गीत रचना करिछु. आशा करूछि एटा तुमके बहुत भल लागबा.
स्निग्ध चंद्रमार रजत किरण, स्निग्ध चंद्रमार रजत किरण, पुलकित करू दुहिंकर मन, पुलकित करू दुहिंकर मन, उल्लासे भरी देऊ तुमरी जीवन, उल्लासे भरी जाऊ तुमरी जीवन, प्रभु पदे आमर एही निवेदन, प्रभु पदे आमर एही निवेदन. नमस्कार.
Happy anniversary to both of you.
मुबारक हो आपको नई ये जिंदगी, मुबारक हो आपको नई ये जिंदगी, खुशियों से भरी रहे आपकी जिंदगी. गम का साया कभी आप पर ना आए, गम का साया कभी आप पर ना आए. दुआ है हमारी आप दोनों यूं ही मुस्कुराए. हाय जली.
हाय श्रेया.
Happy 25th marriage anniversary to both of you. Congratulations on reaching a milestone of made of love and trust. God bless your togetherness.
It is a pleasure for us to celebrate 25th wedding anniversary of a sweet couple of our Delhi Bhulia Parivar. Marriage is such an institution where two people they love and share emotion unconditionally. To achieve the 25th wedding anniversary, it is not easy to walk up. So, you couple, you deserve to celebrate your wedding anniversary in big way. Your marriage blooms like flower every year and have lot of fun, love, affections for years. Once again, I wish you happy wedding anniversary.